To begin, can you please state your name?
I'm at Victory Holding of New York.
Okay. Can you explain what led you to seek legal help?
Problems with tenants.
Okay. In general, what did Adam Lightman Bailey PC do for you?
They're very organized, good at following up the cases, good at keeping me updated, and the fact that we had cases where we had a little bit of a hostility between us and the tenant, so Adam and Jackie did a great job negotiating the buyout for me.
Okay. Could you briefly explain the situation or problem that you had with your tenants, which led you to come here?
We have rent-stabilized tenant. We run into normal problems, non-payment cases, lease problems, lease disagreements, I should say. And we had a couple of tenants where we were looking to not renew their lease because we wanted to use it for personal use, for business use, and they handled the case for us.
Okay. And who did you work with here at the firm?
Adam, Chris, whenever we had to go to court, Chris was there, and he's an excellent representative to have in court with you. Jackie Halpern handled our non-renewal cases, and Carolyn is my point of contact usually for follow-up on our cases and any questions I may have.
Okay. And I understand that you are involved in real estate, so you are aware of how hard it is to evict a rent-stabilized tenant. How do you feel about Adam Lightman Bailey PC's plan of attack to evict the two stabilized tenants that you were having problems with?
Well, it worked. What Adam and Jackie did for me was to at least bring the tenants to the negotiating table by filing a non-renewal case, and it's a good upside to our building and a good outcome.
Okay. And in order to keep negotiations open, a lot of paperwork needs to be pushed through the DHCR in order to keep the actual application for non-renewal open. How do you feel about Jackie's drafting skills, which painted a good faith picture of your application to the DHCR in keeping the application open?
Very professional. She kept me updated on everything that was happening. She was very well aware of all the deadlines and kept me posted, made sure everything was filed properly and on time, and all in all, a great job.
Okay. And how did you meet Adam Lightman Bailey, PC?
I was referred by a friend.
Okay. And what were your first impressions?
Again, organized, professional, and what I had heard of them was the fact that I could count on them being aggressive on my behalf to get the job done and to represent us well.
Okay. And did the firm keep you updated on the case statuses?
Yes.
Were copies of all documents prepared sent to you for your own records?
Yes.
Were you pleased with the customer service aspect of the firm?
Yes.
Okay. Does anything in particular stand out?
No, I've been very happy with the firm, with Adam, with Carolyn, Chris, Jackie, everybody.
Okay. Could you explain what you think the firm's best...
And let's not forget Mary.
Mary? Okay. Could you explain what you think the firm's best qualities were in assisting to your needs? If you could pick one.
Mainly the fact that I don't have to remember any of the deadlines, or I don't have to follow up with them to make sure they're doing their job properly. Everybody does their job and they let me know what they're doing and they keep me updated.
Okay. Any last comments, suggestions you'd like to add before we finish?
I think we covered everything.
Okay. And do we have your permission to post this on our website?
Sure.
Thank you.